Yes, sir. Damn, it is your boy Cole going back with another video.
Overall, it's a pretty good shoe.
A lot of blue rays, cheat on my pet.
Oh, dope.
I got
It just copped the Paul George's.
Don't mean that it's made. I clean up real nice. I don't got.
Yes, sir. Duh, it is your boy Cole going back with another video, bruh. Today, let me set this up because today is a good day. Man, y'all saw the title. Bruh, I know y'all remember that video when I told you I've never went off Nike sneakers.
Never have I ever went off the sneakers app, bro. And I can make a whole sneakers app rant, but I'm not gonna do that. It might come soon though, but I'm not gonna do it. But if I lose again off the app, bruh, I'm going to delete the app.
Today is the day. Your boy finally checked out some shoes on Nike sneakers, bro. I had one off. I won the Airmaxes, you know, all those special Airmaxes that were in that drawing or whatever, and they decided to they decided to release all those Airmaxes, and I really didn't want the Shanghais, but I checked out with the Seals. I think that's how you say it, the Seals, Souls. So basically what we're about to do is that I got the shoe shipped to my mom's house because when I first made my Nike sneakers account, I was still over there. So I basically got to go to my mom's house, come back here, show you guys the shoe, and I also got to pick up some other stuff. But I'm about to just basically take you guys along with me, and man, I'm too happy. This is my first Nike sneakers checkout. I was really dubbing the sneakers app. Like, I only got some stuff. The only way I got anything off of Nike sneakers was from the Atlanta pop-up. So this is really exciting to me. Finally, it's my first Nike sneakers purchase. Can't even hold my excitement, bro. I'm gonna have to kill him with the whoa. I can't even hold my excitement. Oh, 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 oh. Nah, save it for the trailer. All right, so basically now what we're about to go do is, and I know I've been capping with the apartment tour, bro. I'm gonna give you guys, I'm gonna try and get some of that lighting. I'm gonna give you guys, you know, the apartment tour still. I'm not done with it yet. Like, it's still some stuff I gotta put in here. I could give y'all a quick little view, but I'm not finna do that. So, the apartment tour is still coming. But like I said, we're about to head to my mom's house, get the shoes, and then finally get to see that purchase. So we're back, you know, in my old room. Excuse the mess and stuff, but we got something with the Nike swoosh on it. Trying to cover up this. And then we got the Nike Just Do It tape. Oh yeah, yes sir. I cannot wait to unbox these, bro. Yes sir. So about to bring this back to the crib. I'm gonna get my other camera set up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, bro, we're back at the crib. Excuse, you know, my pink swim shorts. I'm going to a pool after this. That's why I have them on. And then I got, you know, my Cinnamon Toast Crunch socks, you dig? And then I got the Supreme Ripple tee on. And then, you know, the Fendi do-rag. But we're about to go ahead and unbox. I already took off the shipping label so y'all can't tell, you know, where I live or blah, blah, blah. I heard people complain how it has, you know, Nike on the box and have Nike tape, like the really heavy branding with their shipping. Low-key, I don't like that because, like, I had a package get stolen the other day, and I was surprised this wasn't stolen. That's why I was really scared to see if like I got the package or not, because none of my family said they saw it. But my brother, he put it in my room for me, thank God. But enough of me talking. We're about to get straight into this review. And I got my Supreme pocket knife. Bro, you can't even tell it says Supreme anymore, bro. It's like, not even pocket knife. It's just like so worn out. What did I cut with this? What is this? But like, you can really barely tell it's a Supreme pocket knife. Just know it used to say Supreme right here. Yeah, it's just sad. But we're about to get straight into this, bro. This is my first time unboxing and winning anything from Nike sneakers, bro. I did buy some stuff, you know, from Snkrs Atlanta pop-up when they were here, but I'm pretty sure that's over now. I'm gonna get close up. I'm about to give y'all my first initial thoughts of this shoe, the Airmax Nike Seals. All right, first things first, we see, give me my Nike receipt. All right, there goes that. Now, before I actually, you know, open this, I'm about to read, you know, the Nike sneakers history on this. It says Shin chose an Airmax 97 with an oversized swoosh, and based on his design on Seoul's big neon signs, the contrasting colors of South Korea flag and flag central, blah, 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 blah. And according, this is Shin, the guy that made the Nike Seals. I'm pretty sure this is the runner-up shoe when they were, you know, voting on like which shoe to make, and you know, the Sean Weatherspoon's one. I'm pretty sure. Don't take my word for it. I'm just guessing. But we're about to get straight into it, bro. Really, this is my first time wearing the Nike sneakers, and I finally got my size. So we're gonna see if I'm gonna let this, you know, stay with me. Size 12, you dig what I'm saying? If you got any size 12 steals, make sure you hit me on the gram. Might be able to work some things out. Okay, so we got, I don't even know what this is. I guess this is like a postcard, a Nike postcard. This is pretty cool, just to keep. Then we got, it says, oh, the paper says Seoul, Paris, TYO, I think that stands for Tokyo, NYC, like all over the bag and stuff. And then the shoe itself. Yo, hold up. These actually look kind of tough. Let me take both of these out. These actually look pretty tough. And I like Air Max 97s. I didn't want the Sean Weatherspoons, but after that price went up, yeah, bro, these, man, you could really pull some fits off with these, bro, like really. Okay, so it's like majority black, and I love black shoes. And then like the small hints that it has, not really small because it's kind of bright, but the blue, the pink, and then the oversized Nike swoosh, I really like that because you don't usually see 97s with that. And this is hard, like. And then this is a weird material right here on the toe box. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but it's like, I don't know, it's like a mesh. You hear that sound? That's my nail going up against it. These are tough. The laces are tough. They have like, wow, they're like white squares that are like going throughout the lacing, which is pretty cool. I think these are the only shoelaces that came with the shoe. Let me double check. Yeah, well, at least in my pair, these are the only laces that came with the shoe that I see so far, unless it's in here, but no, I think it's just the paper shoe tree. The soles is hard. Look at this. The soles is hard. Okay, and one has the Nike swoosh, and then the other one says Seoul. Please, bro, if I'm saying this wrong, please correct me in the comment section below. My pronunciation is trash, but here you go. Seoul. That's tough. These, should I try this on right now? With a Cinnamon Toast Crunch socks? All right, y'all, so I put on one. I don't even know, this is definitely not how I would lace it up or whatever, but it actually does look kind of good on feet. I like how I can see the oversized swoosh. That's one thing I don't like about 97s is that the swoosh is usually so small right here or whatever. And I don't like kind of like how it's not like big Nike branding, but these, I like how I have the oversized swoosh because I can see it from when, when I'm standing looking down at the shoe or just sitting looking down at the shoe. And I'm low key messing with this shoe, bro. Like, I may have to do like a whole in-depth on foot review on these because these came way better than I thought and expected, bro. Like, these are tough. I got the other pair on feet and I got the other pair right here. I'm gonna close the video off here because I'm pretty sure I just wanted to give y'all a quick little review of these shoes, and these really do look better in person. I do wish I had the Shanghais. The Shanghais now, man, if I had got those, come on. But that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if I should keep these. I'm thinking if I should keep these for the collection, keep these to hold, probably try and sell them. I don't think they're going for, too much right now. I don't know if I should probably hold them. They do look good though. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, bruh. And yeah, I don't have an intro, so I just shrugged, so.